case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a case reverberating through the automotive industry in 1984, a plaintiff argued before the United States Court of Appeals for the Sixth Circuit that defects in the rear brake of his Honda 750 CB motorcycle led to a catastrophic accident. It was a case where the legal principle of strict liability was tested, a theory that could hold a manufacturer accountable for injuries sustained by their product, given that a defect and its causative role can be definitively proved. The plaintiff bolstered his argument with a recall letter from Honda, which recognized a braking issue. However, the court found this evidence fell short of establishing a direct cause-and-effect relationship between the probable brake defect and the plaintiff's accident. A lower court had already sided with the defendant, Honda Motor Company, drawing from the plaintiff's unable to make his case convincingly. Undeterred by the lower court's ruling, the plaintiff appealed the decision, bringing the case before the higher court. However, the Court of Appeals unanimously concurred with the lower court's judgment. It reasoned that the plaintiff's evidence was inadequate for determining Honda's liability, as it only showed the possibility rather than the probability of a brake defect causing the accident. Moreover, the court cited the lack of robust support for the plaintiff's claim from his own expert's testimony. Adding to the plaintiff's setbacks, the court deemed the recall letter, a critical piece of the plaintiff's evidence, inadmissible. It deemed the letter irrelevant and potentially prejudiced, given its lack of independent affirmation of a defect or evidence of the conditions mentioned in the letter at the time of the accident. As a result, the court affirmed the judgment of the lower court, leaving the plaintiff's appeal unfruitful.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of climb.